Okay, so in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download an app called Loom, Loom. This is a screencasting platform where you can cast and record your screen just like I'm doing right now. Okay, so you will need to go to Google Chrome, and hopefully your homepage looks similar to this. Type in loom.com and it should come up automatically like this. You want to get Loom for free. And you can sign in with Google or you can sign in with your school email at the bottom. So I'll just do my school email and let's create a free account. Okay, I need to type in my first name and my last name and then just create a password. Agree to the terms and conditions and let's continue. And of course my passwords don't match because it is too early in the morning. Okay, so I created an account. Let's just save my password and don't turn on sync because it will just sync to all your emails and you don't want that. So it doesn't really matter what you click here. I'll just click educate. Let's continue. You have two options. You can install the extension. This means it will install up here on your Chrome browser, or you can download the app. Now, for some of you, when you go to install the extension, sometimes it doesn't work. So I would suggest let's do the app. Okay, so I'm just going to download it. As you can see here, it is going to download. I'm just going to click on it, and that means it will open automatically for me when it is downloaded. Okay, so I think we're almost ready to go. As you can see, it's very quick and easy to follow. Okay, so Loom has loaded up. Let me sign in with my Outlook. Just try and remember what you signed in with. If it was Google, sign here. If it was Outlook, sign here. Oh, fabulous. So as you can see, I clicked on Outlook and it didn't let me sign in. So I went to email. That is a quick example of troubleshooting the problem because some people would probably sit on that and then log out. Okay, so just look at all the options they've given you and then see if you can sign in. Okay, so it's given me the option now to start recording and what do I want to use, but this is just telling me how it's going to work. So press next, 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 launch recorder. Okay, and you're basically ready to go. As you can see my face right here. So my webcam is on and my microphone is on. If I don't want my webcam, I just need to click on it and turn it off. Okay, click on it, it turns on. My apologies, you had to see my face so up close today, but it's just to give you an example of how to use it. Please make sure your microphone is on because you will need it for everything. And when you're ready to go, you just click start recording. I'm not going to click it because I'm already doing a screencast. Start recording and then, well, let's just try it. Got it. So I'm starting to record. Okay, so I'm currently recording using Loom. And I just want to get rid of this. And then I want to